Welcome guys to templates in Adobe Illustrator. Now Adobe on their sites, they have plenty of templates for you. Some of them are free, you can use them directly, and some of them are already posted within Illustrator, you can just pick them up. Let's see how this happens. When creating a new file, you can come to film and video here, or art and illustration, any one of them, and you notice that there are some templates. In my case here, there are 11 templates that Adobe, is telling me, okay, you can use this one. They are very nice, very useful. Actually, some of them are really nice. And there are the film and video templates that you can download and use. Let's see how this happens. Let's come to print templates. And you notice the one that are checked here, I already downloaded on my system and maybe opened them. I don't remember, but I do like playing with templates a lot. New ideas. Let's say within the print, you want to have a look at these logos here. You select it and you can see a preview. That's what they are showing you here, the preview, all kind of logos, how to change them, something like this, to get very inspired. You can decide that this is a template that you want to use. Actually, this is very useful. You can download it now. You are selecting it, of course, you download it. The size is 192 kilobytes, pretty small by the way. Now, actually, it is downloaded. You could open it. And as simple as this, I'm going to cancel the fonts here. It's showing you all what is inside the template here. You can start picking and, using if you like to. Actually, you can use them in your professional work, even if it's paid. It's free to use. Let's go back. And we go to create new. And if, for example, you are looking in print and you didn't find anything that you like here, well, the best way is to search. So I'm going to go to brochure and search. It's going to take me now to the website. On the website, you have hundreds of thousands of templates that you can use. Most of them are to be bought. You have your subscription with Adobe Stock. I'm sure you already know that. But you can find some free ones. I'm going to go for free. Now, notice here you have the filter. Open on the filter. I'm looking at all the subcategories inside Illustrator templates. And I can decide which one I like. You can click on one and you can preview it. That's awesome, by the way. Nice work. This one, maybe, I don't know why you would use it, but it's something nice to look at. Maybe copy it, do something similar as a training. But there is more important where you can take a template, for example, this one, and you can license it for free. That's very nice. You can have a preview before you license it. That's how it is. I think this is an Illustrator template. You come back here and say license for free. And I hope you have a good subscription. Notice here saving to default library, but also it's asking me where do I save it on your storage device. So I'm going to click save from here. I could just right click and open it. And it will be in recent somehow. Here it is. It's in recent. You can open it in recent. It wants fonts, no problem. Downloaded this one and I'm starting to use it. It's quite nice and very useful, guys. Now, templates can be used not only to do the whole work, but you can really get inspired from them. But also you can use any kind of element inside the templates. It's free for you. And of course, I hope you choose the right templates. Look at these ones I downloaded. Wanted to have a look how it's done. And another one also I downloaded for a flyer. It's quite cool. Placement is right and so on. Make a flyer. Well, I like it. The design is pretty nice here. And another one I think here. No, that's it. So these are the one I downloaded just to show you. Thank you guys. And in next lecture, we are going to see how this happens inside the libraries. Notice my templates are inside certain libraries here. I will see you then.